Most managers fail, not because they lack talent, but because they neglect the very first function of management. Today, we're talking about planning. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it is, why it matters, and how great managers use it to lead winning teams. So, what exactly is planning in management? Planning is the process of setting goals, defining actions to achieve those goals, and organizing the resources and efforts needed to carry out those actions. Simply put, planning is deciding in advance what to do, how to do it, when to do it, and who will do it. Think of it like a GPS for your organization. Before you start driving, you enter a destination. The GPS calculates the best route, warns you about obstacles, and adjusts if something changes. Planning does the same thing for a business. Planning is actually the first and most important function of management. Before organizing, staffing, directing, or controlling, everything else depends on it. Now let me give you 5 quick reasons why planning is non-negotiable for any manager. 1. Direction. It gives your entire team a clear goal to work toward. No confusion, no guesswork. 2. Reduces risk. Good planning means you think ahead. You spot potential problems before they happen, not after. 3. Better use of resources. Time, money, people. Planning makes sure none of these are wasted on the wrong things. 4. Easier decision-making. When a tough choice comes up, your plan acts as a guide. You don't have to start from scratch every time. 5. Planning boosts. Employee morale. When people know what is expected, they perform better and feel more confident. Being part of planning also motivates employees. Now, planning isn't one size fits all. It comes in different levels. Strategic planning. This is the big picture. Long-term goals are usually 3 to 5 years, done by top management. Think, where do we want this company to be in 5 years? Tactical planning. This is the middle level. Shorter time frame, maybe 1 to 2 years. It breaks down the big strategy into smaller, actionable plans for departments. Operational planning. This is day-to-day. What needs to happen this week, this month, to keep things running smoothly? Think of it like a pyramid. Strategy at the top, operations at the base. Each level supports the one above it. Planning process. Now here's where it gets practical. How does a manager actually build a plan? Let's walk through it, step by step. Step 1. Define your objective. The first step is setting clear goals. And not just any goals, SMART goals. That means specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. When everyone understands exactly what they're aiming for, the team stays focused from day 1. Step 2, identify available resources. Before you move forward, check what you're working with: employees, budget, time, technology. This step keeps your plan realistic and workable. Knowing your resources in advance prevents shortages, delays, and nasty surprises mid-execution. Step 3, develop your strategies. Now explore different ways to reach your goal. Don't lock in on the first idea. Compare your options. Which one delivers the best results with the least risk? Step 4. Create an action plan. Once you pick your strategy, break it into smaller tasks. Assign responsibilities, set deadlines, and define expected results for each person or team. Step 5. Implement and monitor. Now put the plan in motion and watch it closely. Review progress at regular checkpoints, spot problems early, and adjust when something isn't working. Remember, a plan that isn't monitored is just a wish list. The best managers treat planning as a continuous cycle, not a one-time task. Now that you understand planning, the next step is knowing how to organize everything you've planned, because a great plan without proper organization still falls apart. In my next video, I'm covering organizing, the second function in management. And trust me, it's a game changer. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it. If you want to read it in detail or download the PDF, go through the link in the description. If this video helped you, drop a like. It genuinely helps this channel grow. See you in the next one.